Low life's the name. There ain't a day past that I ain't in trouble. This changes the game and turns a somersault to a double. They hating me now. I vapped out and they gon' feel my rumble. But it is all gravy. I'm running and ain't about to stumble. Back off a few years and you will find some crooked decisions. I managed them clear and did not let them bring down my vision. That's all I don't need. Somebody trying to stop what I'm giving. But there's just too many hoes out here to give one bitch my pimpin'. I'm bringing you Memphis. I just joined the white rapper convention. Back in the day I blazed my hay and dreamed about recognition. But I done made it. They hate it. I love it because of DJ Paul and Juicy J. I got so far from above it, pushing and shoving. Ain't no more of that. I'm posted on a regular. Good old boy from round the way. Might be small, but don't test me, bruh. Question, bruh. Lesson, bruh. Yes, that's what I'm stressing, bruh. Yes, that's me in your hood too. Don't cut this what I'm flexing, bruh. Hanging out, getting high.
Just the good old boys.
Watching cops riding by.
Just the good old boys.
Sitting around drinking beer.
Just the good old boys.
We was the clique, the haters fear.
Just the good old boys.
Never really wanted blow.
Just the good old boys.
Was overloaded on that drove.
Just the good old boys.
Pseudo cutlass, what we flexing.
Just the good old boys.
If you in the road, you better move. We come in your direction. Roll up your window, catch a cloud. I'm as high as you. I know you wish this song would keep on bumping through a pound or two, but it's all good. It's gonna go off like everything that